So today, folks, what I wanted to do is just show you a little bit of what I've been carving. This is white cedar, and it's basically a fence post that I've carved. And with the white cedar, when I finish carving it, I go over it with a polyurethane water-based sealer, the same one that I use when I finish my Santas. And that just seals them and it keeps them from cracking because the white cedar is very prone to wanting to crack. So I seal them after I carve them, then I lightly go over it again with some very fine sandpaper and just kind of take off just a few of the little burrs that form. So that was one of them. I've been kind of doing the traveling Santa theme this year, and here's a Santa. He's got his little lantern. He's lifting up his robe so he can make it to wherever he's going. Just a look of what they look like. He's going to look really nice when he's painted up. Here's another one that basically it's got the holly down here. He's going to be holding a present in the front, and he's standing on a plinth, a base that I carved. And I'm going to show you how to use a stop cut to actually do the base today. So here's another white cedar Santa, and this is the exact size. And the same thing here, I sealed them. I'm going to go over them again with a nice sort of real light sandpaper just to kind of remove some of the burrs. And again, the traveling theme, he's got his walking cane, he's got his lantern, so he is all set. Here's another traveler themed Santa. So this one's got the words Mary carved in the front. He's got the holly down below. Again, he's got the traveling thing going on. It's going to look really good when I get him finished. Okay, so a stop cut, folks. Real simple. No matter how you do it, you can use a knife like this, and you just make a little indent. This is the thumb push cut, and you want to just take it right up to that stop. That's basically a stop cut, but it keeps you from shearing out the carving. So on this one, what I want to do, kind of like this one, how I did the base, I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So on that, you just get a measurement for the base, like this. Like that. And once you've got the measurement for the base, then what I'm going to do is take my V-gouge, and I'm going to put where I get these. They're basically Flexcut V-gouges, and you'll have the links in there if you want to check them out, the Amazon links. And so this is real simple. So I'm going to, in this case, over here I used the knife to make a stop cut. Well, I'm going to use this V-gouge, in this case, to make the stop cut. And you just want to follow the line. Just like that. And this is basswood, by the way. Real good stuff. Okay. So we're going to accentuate that stop cut with this, just the straight knife. Just follow it down. Put a little pressure on it. Let that blade fall where it's not going to do any damage. And now I've got this gouge, just basic flat gouge, and we're going to cut into that stop cut. Just like that. Flip it, cut it, flip it. I always turn the blade over like this because I want that flat side to cut into it, so you just go like that. And then again, I'm going to use a little stop cut technique right against that, like so. Pay no attention to the guard dog, the guard chihuahua. And this is your basic stop cut in action here, folks. This is how it's done. And again, I'm going to Try to get rid of all this extra wood, like so, and then just clean it up like that. And for nice clean cuts, if you can master that stop cut, you're off to a really good start. That's pretty much it. So that's how that stop cut works. Now I've got the base to start carving out the Santa, which is my next step. But you got to master that stop cut, and no matter how you do it, I like to carve against something. You could use a knife and pull it into it. I just like using the chisel sets, and again, the flex cut is what I like to use. So that's the stop cut, folks. You got to get that one down, I think, before you can travel on to the next stuff. But it's not real hard to learn, and it gives you a nice clean cut in here, and that's what you need when you're doing all these detailed carvings. So thanks for watching. Till next time.